So here you can see that instead of screwing the augers down in, they used the post hole digger and just dug a big hole and just dropped it in. I made them take it out and move it over and dig it down and screw it in the way it's supposed to be screwed in.
They got to drill. They got to remove my panel. As you can see, there are no dents in my panel. No dents. No dents. No dents. Wow. So the problem is, how do you put the nut and bolt there? Alright, so this side's tight at the bottom, which is good. But then, when you look at this side, no.
We don't need much space.
Yeah, I understand. Is to push this back out enough to drill through without drilling through my building, and put a nut and bolt on it. All right, taking the panel off. And then on my carport, just want to document what I got. Got one, it's not good. 2, 3, 4, 5. But they don't have washers on them. They put these washers on. So that's good. Okay, 5. Side we got side 1, 2. 3, 4. That one's barely on. Let's look at the hole that they did the first time. Look at that. Yeah. Unbelievable. Yeah, washer will help. Wow. So we're putting 2 washers to cover that hole. Good. Boy, that sticks out far. All right, they got the panel off. Here I come. Huh? Yeah. Good. Very good, yeah. Trying to get that off. Wow. Bending that pretty good. Don't bend it too much. All right, again. No damage. All right. Yeah, let me know before you do this one too. Okay. So that looks good. Washers. Yes. Much better. Okay, yeah, it looks good.
Looks good?
Yep.
Okay.
Looks good. All right, this looks good. Yep, much better. Yeah, these are in nice. This is how they should be. All the way down. Looks good. Yep. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, it's not very, it's pretty high. I'm amazed it stayed on with three of them. Yep, again, no washers. Bottom's caught. Your bottom's caught there. See here? Need to push it this way.
I'm going inside.
Apóyala arriba, tan un poquito. Al churro de acá. Abajo con los dedos.
Be a little sharp.
Apóyala otra vez para meter los dedos yo aquí.
There you go. Uh-oh, you're bending it.
Apóyala para acá.
Sí. A ver que churro ahí, soy nomás. Nomás que ver los hoyitos.
Looks good.
Tiene harto.
Dan los mismos hoyos.
Apóyala también.
A ver, pero ahí voy, Julio.
Here you can see they're almost done putting on the last panel. They were able to dig it out and install the additional auger screws that they screwed in by hand.
Good?
Never use real steel buildings out of Valdosta, Georgia. They are incompetent. These guys were pretty good, but they were the 5th crew that came out to make this right, and it's still not even done. Unbelievable.